So here is the step-by-step on how to use Bitunix. Bitunix is comparatively a new platform on the stage, and although it is a new platform, it has all it takes to compete with the big players. And if you haven't signed up for Bitunix yet, you can click on my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK to get 5,500 USDT worth of newcomer rewards and start trading with the vast collection of tokens. So once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you can use your email or phone number to open your account. So put in your email and password and then click on Sign Up. And if you already have an account on Bitunix, click on Login. From this page, all you need to do is put in your credentials and click on Login. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So here, if you want to start trading and buy BTC or something else, click on Spot on the top. So once you're on this page, you will notice that we're already on the BTC USDT pair. On this page, if you scroll down, you will be able to buy and sell BTC over here. You will see all the options that you need in order to start trading Bitcoin. Now, if you want to do futures trading, click on Futures from the top panel right here. So as you can see, we are now on the Futures tab. From here, you can select your desired token and start your futures trading. On the right side, you have all the options you need to get started. After that, if you want to check your balance or transfer funds, head over to Assets on the top and click on Asset Overview. And once you're here, you'll be able to see your assets and the option to transfer funds on the top right. If you click on it, you'll be able to transfer funds from your spot account to your futures account. Just set the quantity that you want, and all you need to do is click on Submit. And now, if you want to buy USDT or BTC to start trading, head over to Buy Crypto on the top left. Here, you can select the currency which you want to pay in. Here, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to look it up. So now, I will select USD. Now you need to select the cryptocurrency that you will receive. Just scroll through and select it. After that, on the bottom, you will get to see all the available payment providers. Just choose one and click on Buy. So that is exactly how you can use Bitunix. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share.